check out my backyard RC drift track. So this guy, it's about 8 feet by 26 feet. And it's got 4 corners, basically. One big sweep back here, 2 small hairpins, and kind of a big sweeper in the back over there. And I think for my first layout, did pretty good. This is kind of a polished concrete. It's been stained and sealed and weathered over the years. So I'm using the stock RDS wheels. I'm gonna start getting some different wheels, trying out for the surface, some Yokomos, Redkeys, just something top line was another one I was looking at. But so this whole course, I'm already almost ready to kind of tweak this back corner. And I know nothing about competition drifting yet, but I'm almost at the point where I want to start adding kind of clipping points in certain spots. I've been moving like plants in different spots and using those as little flags and barriers to hit. And I've just been absolutely loving this. I used kind of like this vinyl gym tape, and it curves and bends so easily, so well. And I actually also have another addition that goes right here in the center. I'm going to set that up. I have a friend who has a 3D printer. Shout out Troy from Roadside RC for the 3D printed files. That is going to go over there. Also, I've got kind of like this rock garden area, and I rolled up the carpet and I use that as a barrier. Maybe in the future I will create some type of 3D printed barriers, which would be cool. And right now, obviously, the whole track is set up, but maybe I'll overlay a time lapse for when I roll all the carpets and put all the furniture back. And sorry, we're gonna have a airplane go by if you can hear that. But yeah, I'm gonna insert some drifting clips, and I've just been getting so much better. I've been getting the car so dialed in. Once again, huge shout out to Troy from Roadside RC for all the alignment and all the tips and everything, tips and tricks for getting the car all dialed in here. And yeah, no major modifications yet either. So I've got some videos coming. I think after the unboxing, I'm just gonna post this one. But I've got tips and tricks, all my setup, and I've also had some issues with my receiver, so I got a new controller. And yeah, this has just been so much fun. And having the ability to have this little backyard test pad, if you will, is so thankful. You know, having an RC drift track in my town is cool, but getting to it is definitely not an easy thing. So having something like this set up, yeah, definitely, as I'm looking at it, definitely widening out this corner, because it gets really tight. You'll see in these clips. Probably I can tighten this up to give myself a little bit more room here. And yeah, I'm ready to start going to my local track though, because tandeming, I can definitely already see how much fun it's going to be being able to slide with other people, testing the limits. So alrighty guys, I'm gonna throw this onto the GoPro that I have set up here, and I want to run it without the body because of the GoPro. Kind of dirty. I need to clean it, but hopefully you guys get a little inspiration from this. And it's definitely not hard. Just took a little bit. This was literally my first try. I didn't even pull up the tape. Gonna fix that side, but this side, I mean, I feel like I absolutely nailed this side. And you know what? Let me set up this obstacle in the center. 1 second. So 3D printed barriers, just having that pop of color, and eventually I'll do maybe some. Probably end up doing the fake grass AstroTurf over there as well. Barriers, bricks, just different things. It's gonna be so much fun making it kind of like a diorama almost. And the teardown and setup for this is literally like less than 5 minutes. We've got some chairs and different things and carpets that roll out. So yeah, all right, now let's get some drifting in. Got Rose in my cup, though.
Started climbing my pole, she got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole, she got me locked in on cup though.
Give me some, I'ma catch a murder case. On my clock, in this cop, mask on my face. Hesitate to give me some, I'ma catch a murder case. Dirty on the clock when I get guap. Whipping on the scene when I get crank. Leaning on the beat, on me, that's it. On me, I take the key. When I'm in, I take the key. When I'm in, I get dirty on the clock when I get guap. Whipping on the scene when I get crank. Leaning on the beat, on me, that's it. On me, I take the key. When I'm in, I take the key. When I'm in, I get on my clock, in this cop, mask on my face. Hesitate to give me some, I'ma catch a murder case. On my clock, in this cop, mask on my face. Hesitate to give me some, I'ma catch a murder case.